Hello everyone, it's Donna again, and in this video we are going to take this little donut applique design that we had digitized in the previous one, and we're actually going to change this to another applique. And first and foremost, if you can see in here, here's the original image, and first thing I'm going to do is delete the image, and then I am going to import another image, and let's just say this one right here. Okay, so now we have the image. If you look at the donut, this part was exactly the same. So what color was this? This was 2291, and I am actually going to change the outside to be the brown, so like it's a chocolate donut or something. And this inner here, this one and this one, I'm going to change the color to be Cloud Dancer. It's kind of an off-white. It's a beautiful color. And all of these little sprinkles here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete them because we have these nice pink ones. And see, if we look at the applique now, it's different, okay, than the other one. And I will go ahead and right click on this and make sure that the column is still done, and I'm just gonna, let me see if I can edit this. I'm going to put the start here. I'm going to put that fill end here and generate the stitches and see how that looks. That looks nice. It looks like a nice little strawberry color. And I'm just going to actually start. Well, these are probably there's too many of them to do this cut and paste and rotate them all. So I'm just going to go ahead and do them all. And this artwork is clean, so it's easy to do this for these. And I'm working as fast as I can. I know this gets boring to look at. I'm not sure if I got this one here or not. Nope. Oops. So I'm missing two. This one and this one. So I am going to get all of these together. I'm going to group them, and the color I'm going to make strawberry ice. This is actually a beautiful color. It's not quite what it shows up there. It is nice. Anyway, so here is the different applique donut. Just changing out some of it, changing some colors and changing out the sprinkles, and you have a completely different one. And I am going to save this as, I'll go up, and there that is. See how easy? We will talk to you later. Bye.